Want to start freelancing but don't know which skill to learn? In this video, I'll share the top 3 skills that pay well, are beginner-friendly, and need 0 degree or past experience in 2025. Skill 1, AI-powered content writing. Use ChatGPT plus Grammarly. High demand on Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. Clients love fast delivery and AI plus human touch combo. Bonus, give example gigs. Skill 2, Canva design plus social media graphics. No Photoshop needed. Perfect for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok creators. Bonus, show a real design plus gig idea. Skill 3, virtual assistant services. Data entry, email replies, research, scheduling. Popular in US, UK clients. Bonus, mention tasks you can do with Notion, Google Sheets. How to start learning for free. Use platforms like Coursera, YouTube, and ChatGPT. Create sample work even before getting clients. Final words. These 3 skills are all you need to start freelancing in 2025. Let me know in comments which one you'll start with.